The Puma Roma Germany Country Pack. Hey, what's up? This is Will's Vlog Channel. Here I talk about men's fashion, men's grooming, and whatever else comes to my mind, quite honestly. If you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, it'd be much. So right here I have a pair of Puma Romas. Now the Puma Romas I have today are in the Germany colorway, so like the colors of the German flag, black, yellow, and red. These Pumas I ordered from none other than Dr. J's. Dr. J's is a retailer out in New York City. I've ordered stuff from them on and off for going on 20 years now. So here we go. Now, here is a Puma Roma. So you see it's a full leather upper, mostly black with the red trim and then the yellow trim around the bottom. You come with black laces. Also has the Germany flag on the front. Then of course in the back you see the gold Puma emblem. So here's the other shoe. So same thing on the other shoe. Never worn, fresh out the box. I got these for a good deal on Dr. J's website. They were about $45 plus tax. So yeah, really good deal. These are some really cool shoes in my opinion. So Puma Roma, probably wear these with some black denim, or black joggers, some dark denim, maybe dark blue denim. You might put it with some red. There's a lot of things you can do with it mostly being black. So yep, here they are. Puma Romas, pretty good deal. If you wear Puma Romas, if you like these type of videos, if you mess with Dr. J's, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you like these type of videos, hit subscribe so for more from Will's Vlog Channel.